Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I'm Tristan, and today we are going to improve your TOEIC score with Speed TOEIC. We are going to answer 5 TOEIC questions, number 111 to 115, in less than 7 minutes. You're busy, I'm busy, so let's improve our TOEIC score quickly. Here's the first question. Let's simplify. It says the walls are in poor shape and will require. Let's just say the walls will require blank before we can paint them. After require, we need an object. Subject requires noun. For example, humans require water. The company requires employees to wear a uniform. The activity requires English knowledge. We know we need a noun. So what is a noun here? Well, words that end in ION, shun words, are 99% nouns. For example, compete, competition, restrict, restriction, prepare, preparation. Preparation is a noun. So we will pick the answer A. It will require preparation. Let's go to 112. We see if we had worked, we blank have finished. This is a third conditional. A third conditional is if subject, past perfect, had verbed, subject, would, might, could have verbed. Therefore, we are imagining the past differently. We are thinking about the past differently in a third conditional. For example, a week ago, I woke up late. As a result, I missed my flight. I imagine the situation differently in the past. So I say, if I had woken up earlier, notice had woken, I'm using present past perfect, sorry, I would not have missed my flight. You can see the form of the third conditional. Let's look at one example. The restaurant service was terrible. Eventually, the restaurant closed down. I imagine the past differently. If the service had been better, the restaurant might have been a success. In a third conditional, our modal will be would, could, might have verbed. We do not usually use should. We do not use must. We do not use will in a third conditional. 99% of the time, we will use would, could, or might. So let's go back to the TOEIC question. We know we have a third conditional. If we had worked through the night, well, as I said, we usually use could, might, or would in a third conditional. Do we have any of those? Yes, we have might. Let's go to 113. We see that we have all verbs here. So grammar will not help us that much. We need to look at the context and pick the correct vocabulary. It says it is necessary to have at least one advanced degree in order to blank in today's job market. The job market is a situation in which different people are looking for jobs. For example, you might hear, it is hard to find a job these days. The job market is very competitive, very challenging, very difficult. So in a job market, many people want the same jobs. They are trying to get the same position. The job is like a prize or a trophy. Therefore, the people are competing with each other. The verb compete means try to win, try to do better than, have a chance to succeed. For example, 48 countries competed in the World Cup. 10 different candidates were competing for the job. You need to have good hand-eye coordination to compete in tennis. So if we look at today's question in TOEIC, you need a university degree or a degree so you can compete in today's job market in order to have a chance. So in order to compete. So the answer is A. Let's go to 114. A quick note, if you see few plus noun, it means not many. If you see a few plus a plural noun, it means some. If I say he has few ideas, that is not many and it sounds negative. If I say he has a few ideas, that just means some and there's no judgment. Now, you will not use few before non-countable nouns. If I said he has few information, this is wrong. He has little information, this is correct because information is non-countable. So you put few or a few before a plural countable noun. Okay, so now we know in this question it says because so few people showed, so that equals because not many people. So this answer is about phrasal verb. The answer is showed up. Showed up or show up is to appear at a location or attend an event. Even though it was raining, everyone showed up for the picnic. So everyone came, attended the picnic. Or the candidate didn't show up for the job interview. So the candidate didn't appear. The candidate didn't come. So for this question, the best answer is D. All right, let's look at 115, last question. Speed TOEIC is fast. This question is about collocations. We see that we have the word high before the blank. Now, if we think of the situation, our corporate headquarters is our main office. So this is located on a hill high the city with a spectacular view. So we are looking down on the valley. We are looking down on it because we are high. So the best answer is high above. We will not use high beyond, high next to, high across. It is a collocation. Please review this lesson because it was quick. Like, subscribe, share, and keep improving your TOEIC score. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.